I'm Mike Dalton. I'm a teacher and a traveler, and this is Dalton's Detours. So on our way to Split from Zadar, we decided to visit Trogir. It is set along a narrow island so small that you could easily not realize that it is completely surrounded by water as you pass over the bridge to the island. This was just a quick half-day trip. Around Trogir there are lots of churches, palaces, and small squares. We had a guide take us around to see the sights for an hour or so. It was really cool to walk through the narrow cobbled streets, discovering buildings from different time periods: Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, and even Baroque. It was a nice afternoon.
God, it smells like garlic. It smells amazing.
Included in our tour was lunch at Tragos, a restaurant that prides itself in making Croatian and Dalmatian food based on traditional dishes, and of course good Croatian wine. We started with an appetizer of meats, cheeses, and bread. Can't really go wrong with that. Next up, a Croatian favorite, pastakada, which is a stewed beef dish cooked in a special sauce and served with potato gnocchi. The meat was perfect with a wonderful flavored sauce. We ended with a pastry dessert of walnuts and sugar. It was kind of shaped like an empanada. It was a perfect lunch after a nice afternoon stroll. But of course, I had spotted a gelato stand kind of near where we were going to get picked up, so I think I see that in my future.
So we had a included meal on our tour at a place called Tragos. Got their house wine. Food was good. I mean, salted caramel is so freaking good.
After we are picked up by the driver, we have a short 30-minute drive to check into the hotel in Split, a solid first few days on the Croatian coast. This is Dalton's Detours.